Today, I'm bringing you along with me as I prepare my juices for the week. Y'all know as we age, our bodies need certain vitamins and nutrients to keep us nice, healthy, and out of the hospital. And if you watched any of my grocery hauls, you already know how much I love to juice. So that's why I want to thank AMZChef for sending me this cold press juicer. I have been looking for one anyway, and this one came right on time. So what we're going to do is we are going to make a couple of juices and get these bodies together, y'all. It's about to be a new year, new you. That should be the motto. Let's get into unboxing this juicer, and we about to make some juice, y'all. Let's get this box open to see what all came with it. I like the fact that it came protected with these styrofoam covers. These are all the parts that came inside the box. Here is a cleaning brush if I can get it opened. If you are familiar with juicing, then you already know how pulp can get stuck in the feeding cup. So it's great that it comes with its own cleaning brush. Here we have the power base. If you decide to get one, they come in so many different colors, y'all. I had a hard time deciding which color I wanted to go with, so I ended up choosing one that matches my existing appliances. It also comes with 2 cups. One is for the pulp and the other one is for the juice. Now the one for the juice should have measurements on it. They are very faint, but they're on there. Now if I had one critique about this juicer, it would be to make the measurements more visible. And they may be visible once the juice gets in there. We'll find out here in a few. It also comes with a pusher. This pushes those stubborn fruits and vegetables through. It really comes in handy when they get stuck on the side of the juicer. And here is the juicing bowl. This side is where the pulp comes out and the other side is where the juice comes out. Next we have the auger. This is what squeezes the juice out. This is what makes this a cold press juicer. And last but not least, we have the feeding cup. This is where you stick your fruits and vegetables before turning your juicer on. One thing that I look for in a juicer is the level of difficulty it takes to put it together. You don't want something that is too complex. And this one looks pretty easy to put together. I'm starting with a green juice. In this juice, I have a cucumber, ginger, lime, celery, parsley, green apples, and kale. So many vitamins and nutrients is going into this juicer, y'all. This juice is actually known as a detox juice, and it is a great way to cleanse your body and support your liver function. It helps reduce inflammation and it also improves digestion. So if you have any issues in those departments, this juice is good for that. And this is what the pulp looks like when it comes out. I like that it's drier than my other juicers that I've used. The drier, the better. That means it's squeezing more juice out of the fruits and vegetables. I was so not prepared for that splash, y'all. I was so not prepared, but it's all good. Look at all of that healthy deliciousness. The next juice that I'm going to make is beet juice. And here is what I'm going to put in it. I have some beets, apples, ginger, and carrots. Girl, this juice is a good source of vitamins A, C, K, and beta carotene, which means that it's good for your eyes, your immune system, and gut health. The final juice that I'm making today is carrot juice. In it, I'll be adding carrots, apples, oranges, and ginger. Similar to the beet juice, this juice is packed with beta carotene. The apples have fiber, and you're also getting vitamin C with the oranges. Overall, I think this juicer is amazing. Much better than any juicer that I have ever owned. Now, the part that I like the most is it doesn't slip and slide all over the place like my other juicers. It doesn't have suction cups at the bottom, but the material that it does have is not letting this juicer go anywhere, and I like that. So this is a top tier juicer at a low price. price. Now let's see what Jordan thinks of these juices.
Hello viewers, welcome to another video of Jordan's Reviews. It's been, I don't think it hasn't been too long, has it? I wouldn't say.
About a week.
It's been about a week or so, you know, I just couldn't resist making another video for you guys. Without further ado, here today we have 3 very healthy looking drinks. Don't worry about this one, it looks like blood, but it's not, it's beet juice. It looks like blood though. But that's besides the point, I'm not a vampire. We're going to start with, personally, one of my favorites, carrots. I adore carrots. Are these baby carrots specifically, or just like any type of carrot?
Grown people carrots.
Grown carrots, okay. Without further ado, let's try this out. That's pretty good. Tastes like carrots. There's a bit of something else, but it's mostly just carrots, as I thought it was going to taste. Okay. So
you like the carrot juice?
Oh, exactly. Yeah, 10 out of 10 for me. I love carrots. And here we have the blood, aka beet juice. I'm calling this the Scarlet Vial because this looks like a potion that will come out of a witch's pot. All of them really do, but mainly that one actually. Let's try this one. That wasn't as bad as I thought I was going to taste. It was actually good.
Yeah, see, it's not bad at all. Now you can drink a whole entire cup full of the beet juice.
Now, if I want to eat /drink spinach like that. Oh boy. Oh, by the way, love that one.
Okay, so you love the carrots. And you
love the carrots, love the beet juice. Delicious. Now it's time for I'm calling this the Bayou Special because you got to have went by a swamp, scooped it up, and tried to pass this off as a drink. What is this?
It is green juice. It's like a detox juice.
Green detox.
Yes, detox.
Y'all
get all the toxins out of your body.
She feed me toxins, y'all. Okay, yeah, let's just try this. I forgot to say that, but yeah, whatever.
See, it's not so bad. You were able to get it down.
It's not bad at all. It kind of tastes like that one, just without any taste. It's just, it's tasteless.
The green juice is tasteless?
Yeah, like it has a taste, but it's so little, it tastes it's like, take the beet juice, but remove the beet juice. Take the carrot, remove the carrot. It's kind of just juice with a strange flavor. That's as best a description I can give as to what it tastes. It's good. It's not bad. No, don't get it wrong. Don't get it twisted. But yeah, I think my favorite here is actually the beet juice.
What? Beet juice over carrot?
Beet juice over carrots. I'm not gonna lie, it tastes better, besides me liking the color red, etc. But this is actually pretty good. I love it over the carrots, and yeah, that right there. That is my little review. So, you know, without further ado, I got gaming to do.
So y'all, that was my honest review of this AMZ juicer. I mean, it exceeded my expectations. It's better than any juicer that I have ever owned, and I am on juicer number 3. Yeah, so that one is way better than my previous juicers. So if you are interested in getting one of these juicers, the company did send me a discount code. I will link it in the description box. It's already at a low price, and with that discount code, you cannot beat that. You're getting a top tier juicer at a low price with a discount on top of that. that. Let me know down in the comment section if y'all juice. I know I do a lot of juicing. My favorite juice is celery and pineapple with a little ginger. That is my favorite. Let me know what is your favorite juice, and if you do plan on juicing, let me know down in the comment section. I hope you all have an amazing day, and girl, we will chit chat in the next one. Talk to you later. Bye.